It's another full day of our Las Vegas adventure, and today we are heading out on the full day tour to Grand Canyon West. We are starting right here from the parking lot of Park MGM. We are definitely ready for a change of scenery. Our first stop is the Hoover Dam. After getting off the bus, we take the stairs up to the Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. As we climb higher, the anticipation starts building. From up there, we slowly begin approaching the Hoover Dam, and it starts to come into view on the left side of the camera. Seeing it from this angle is truly something special. If you ever come here, make sure you take a lot of pictures. These are the memories worth keeping. Some fun facts about Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam was authorized by Congress in 1928 under the Boulders Canyon Project Act. Construction began in 1931 during the Great Depression, and the dam was completed and dedicated in 1935. The power went online in 1937. The dam provides flood control, drinking water, and hydroelectric power to Nevada, Arizona, and California. Lake Mead, created by the dam, is the largest reservoir in the United States by capacity. The view from up here is incredible. Pictures and videos just don't do it justice. This is something you truly have to see in person. Even a short visit to the Hoover Dam area is highly recommended. After our photo stop, we head back onto the bus, and the journey continues toward Grand Canyon West. Along the way, we pass a small desert town called Dolan Springs. Our tour guide shares some interesting stories about the town. Dolan Springs has a population of around 2,000 people, and many residents choose to live here because they want a quieter and a more off the grid lifestyle. After World War II and the Korean War, quite a few veterans moved here for a peaceful desert environment and the affordable cost of living. The town also has an unusual history. In the 1950s, the land around Dolan Springs was sold as 5-acre parcels under the name Lake Mojave Ranchos. People bought the land for recreation, investment, or as a future retirement spot. Today, it remains as a rural community with just one main grocery stop, the Family Dollar, which locals rely on for most essentials. Would you ever consider living somewhere like this? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you think. As we get closer to Grand Canyon West, here are a few fun facts about the area. Some of the rock layers in the canyon are up to 1.8 billion years old. The canyon itself was carved over 5 to 6 million years by the Colorado River. This region sits in the Mojave Desert, so summer temperatures can easily reach 100 degrees or more. Now we are arriving at our first stop inside Grand Canyon West, Eagle Point. Do you know why it's called Eagle Point? The huge rock formation here resembles a giant eagle with its wings spread. Once you see it, you will never forget the shape, and you won't be able to unsee it. Eagle Point sits along west rim and offers dramatic views straight into the canyon. The famous Skywalk is also located here. It's a horseshoe-shaped glass bridge that extended out over the canyon, about 4,000 feet above the canyon floor. If you're not afraid of heights, the Skywalk is an amazing experience. You can look straight down beneath your feet, but if you're like me and heights aren't your best friend, enjoying the view from the side is perfectly fine too. For lunch, we stopped at the Skywalk Café, where we order black bean burgers and fries. Surprisingly, they were really good. And nothing beats having lunch with a canyon view right outside. After lunch, we explored the Native American village exhibit near Eagle Point. It features traditional structure built by several tribes, with signs explaining the purpose behind each dwelling. It's a wonderful way to learn about the Wallapai tribe and the guardians of this land. We gain a deeper appreciation of their history and culture. It's definitely worth a visit. And yes, did I mention it was almost 100 degrees that day? Hot and dry. But even in that heat, we were still having such a great time. Next, we took a short shuttle ride to Guano Point, another highlight of Grand Canyon West. Guano Point offers some of the best panoramic views of the entire canyon, a full 360-degree look. With the Colorado River winding through the landscape below, is one of those views that truly stop you in your track. From the top lookout point, the view is simply breathtaking. Take a minute or a few to soak it all in. This is Grand Canyon West at its finest. You'll also notice an interesting all metal structures here. These are the remains of a historic cable car system used from the 1930s to the 1950s to transport guano, which is bed droppings. They are used for fertilizers. And yes, now you know why it's called Guano Point here. The leftover frame still stands as a reminder of that unusual piece of history. There's also a dining area here if you want to enjoy lunch with a canyon backdrop. Let me know what you think about Grand Canyon West. Did we miss anything worth exploring? I am not sure if we will go back again. This is one of those do it once kind of trips. Once is enough. But if we miss something really memorable, I wouldn't mind going back one more time because overall it was a very enjoyable tour. After exploring Guano Point, we begin our journey back to Las Vegas. We were tired but happy, and most importantly, we ended the day full of memories. From living the bright lights of Las Vegas in the morning to standing at the edge of one of the world's greatest natural wonders. Days like this remind me how important it is to pause, appreciate the beauty around us, and explore beyond the familiar. To keep moving forward, one adventure at a time. And another interesting thing happened on the way back. We didn't catch it on camera, but we saw a pretty large dust devil forming in the distance. The tour guide explained how these little desert tornadoes form, and we could actually see it getting closer to the bus. Unfortunately, I didn't capture it on video, but maybe on our next visit, we'll get lucky and catch one. After a long day, we finally arrived back at the Las Vegas Strip, and that wraps up day 4 of my Las Vegas trip. Next up is day 5, where I will share my wrap-up, highlights, and how I really felt about the entire experience. If you enjoyed this journey from Las Vegas to Grand Canyon West, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other 5-0 and forward moments, where I share stories about travel, gratitude, and living fully after 50. See you in the next one. Bye for now.